My name is Andre, and this is our app, and it's meant for group collaboration, help with delegating tasks and all sorts of things. The purpose of this observation is, since our app is going through early stage, we have to test functionality of our app to make sure it's good before we launch it. So we're testing the app and not you. So don't think that we're observing your behavior. We're mostly observing how you're interacting with the app. And it's okay to quit at any time. Like if for some reason you feel uncomfortable or something, just let us know, we'll stop. And we have a camera here that's recording the observation. Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay. So throughout this observation, you're going to be thinking out loud, and by that I mean every thought that comes to your head about the app. Like, say you wanna create like a task or something, you're gonna think, all right, where do I create a task at? Oh, right there. Yes, that's how you would go about thinking aloud. And also, I can't help you if you have a question about like the app, unless there's a problem and you can continue using the app. That's the only way I can help you. And the task that you're going to be demonstrating for us today is, you're going to launch the app, you're going to sign up for an account, you're going to create a group, and you're going to create a group project. Okay. And lastly, you're going to create a task for that group project. And if any time you stop thinking out loud, I'm going to remind you and ask you questions about why you stopped or like what you were doing. So if you have any other questions, I can answer them. If not, we can get started.
All right, let's get started.
Okay.
All right, so first I'll hit the icon and hit launch the app. All right, so it's the sign up page. They have a pretty cool logo, and I don't have an account yet, so I've hit the sign up to sign up. There's the sign up page. I'll start by putting my information in. And I'll hit sign up. First, I'm guessing this is a home page for groups. This is search bar, and here's an icon with a person and adding, so I'll hit that. So I'm guessing this allows me to make a new group. I can set my avatar, I can name my new group, and close groups. Only the owner can add or remove members. Yeah, I think I'll keep that closed. And then I'll just put my name for the name for the group. Alright, so I'll call it CMSC434. And then I'll hit next. Alright, so it's the same page again, but now I see that it's added the icon for my group. So I'll go ahead and click that. And then so it's allowing me to add a project. So this is the current project, and it has an icon for members, task, calendar, and specifications. And then it has a chat. So I guess this is a chat for if you want to talk with the people in your group. So I'll go ahead and add a project. Okay, so then it's project title, the due date, and the members. Alright, so the product title, I'm just going to put, let's see, project 1, P1, I guess. The due date, we'll say it's 13th, I believe, 14th? I'll put 17th. So, and then I'll go ahead and hit done. And then so I just added a new project. So let me see. So what's at calendars? All right, so I guess this is the calendar for today. It's cool that today's highlighted. So Let's see what happens when I hit today. So today's empty, so let me go back. And then, so I've seen groups and calendars. Let me see what tasks I have. This is also empty so far. Let's see what this does. So I can view the task as a Kanban board or a Gantt chart. Let me try the first one. Let's see. Alright, so I guess this is the task. So to do, what's in progress, what's been completed. Let me go back. And then let me view it as a scan chart and see what that's like. Okay, it's like it's just a weekly view. Let me see, can I add a task? So the title, the due date, assigned to description, group. So I guess the title, I forgot what my task was. But just call it coding, I guess. And then just do 05172009 assigned to, I guess I'll put my name or my username, description, I'll put finish coding, and then the group would be CMSC434. So I'll hit close. See that my group is there, or my task is there, so then I'll head back to the home page. Base groups. And yeah, so that's where my virtual group was.
So you did all the tasks that you were assigned to do, and do you have any questions? Like how was using the app? Like how do you feel?
It was pretty intuitive. I knew how to like make the groups and I can make the task and whatnot. And I like how you had different views for like knowing what task you had for like what days and whatnot. So overall I really enjoyed it. It was nice.
Okay. Thank you for participating again. We really appreciate it. And we'll let you know when the app finally gets launched.
All right.